So what we have here, skin fade, mid fade from the sides, and the top. How much short do you like it?
Just a tiny bit, a little bit less.
Less than that? Okay, so you want to keep it like short, like bit short, messy style at the top. You don't want to brush it anywhere. Okay, too easy. It's nice hair, black, dark hair. I will show you how you do the fade nice and the easiest way with this kind of hair. First thing, we set the 0 guideline. Next, we shape everything off below the guideline. Next, you go to your shaper and you shape halfway. Next, there's small guideline between the super 0 and the 0. We use your trimmer and you just hit only on the middle. Next step, you just open the clipper and you jump for like 1 inch using your half, clipper half. Next, there's a small hash line between the super 0 and the 0. Between the 0 and the half. So what we're going to do, we open the clipper halfway and we hit only on this hash line. Next step, you have number 1.5. You open the clipper to the end and you cut 1 inch from here, but just flick the clipper that way. Next, we're going to put number 1. We open the clipper to the end, and if you see this guideline here, it says from number 2, don't go to the end. So use number 1.5 and just flick it before the end of the number 2. Last step of the fade, if you see this guideline here, this one what I'm trying to remove. So what I do, I put half, open the clipper and hit only on this line. Now I'll jump with number 2, level open, and I'll hit only this section. This section too much between the fade and the top. So I brush it down and you just match between the fade and the top, that's it. Flick the clipper that way. Ready?
Perfect.
Where's the thumbs up?
Thumbs up. Yeah, perfect.
First choice barber.